Imagine this. It's early morning. The sun streams through your kitchen window. Light dances across your countertop. There, you're creating something vibrant and green. This isn't just any drink. This is a commitment to health with Knowledge Your Health. This is a cucumber and celery cleanser, a juice packed with nutrients. It's refreshing and light, and it's incredibly good for you. Start your day right with Knowledge Your Health. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com for more recipes and tips. Let's talk about the stars of our juiced cucumbers and celery. Cucumbers are natural diuretics. This means they help your body get rid of excess water weight. They're also full of electrolytes, which are important for hydration. Celery is equally impressive. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood pressure. And, like cucumbers, it's incredibly hydrating. Together, they make a powerful team. To enhance the flavor, we add a green apple, which gives the juice a touch of sweetness. A squeeze of lemon adds a bit of zest. The result is a delicious and healthy drink. This juice is naturally low in sugar, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Both cucumbers and celery have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. They are also full of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice about managing your diabetes. This juice is a great addition to a balanced diet, but it should not replace any prescribed medications or treatments. Adding this juice to your daily routine is easy. Start by having a glass in the morning. It's a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks. You can also enjoy it as a healthy snack between meals. Experiment with different variations. Try adding a handful of spinach or kale for an extra boost of nutrients. A small piece of ginger adds a bit of spice. The possibilities are endless. This cucumber and celery cleanser is more than just a drink. It's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. By choosing fresh, whole ingredients, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs. And when you feel good, you look good. For more delicious and healthy juice recipes, visit our website at knowledgeyourhealth.com. Start your journey to a healthier you today.